In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install YouTube app on Windows 11. Because there isn't a standalone installer in the Microsoft Store, we will use a feature called Progressive Web Apps or PWAs. This lets YouTube run in its own window with a clean look and a taskbar icon, so it feels like a native app without extra downloads. We'll do this in Google Chrome. Start by opening Chrome on your Windows 11 PC and going to youtube.com. Give the page a moment to load completely. When you are on the main site, look to the far right of the address bar. You are searching for a small computer-shaped icon with a downward arrow. That icon appears when Chrome recognizes that a site supports installation as a PWA. Click that install icon. Chrome will show a straightforward prompt asking whether you want to install YouTube. Go ahead and click install. In a second or two, YouTube will pop out into its own dedicated window. You will notice it no longer sits inside a regular browser tab and it has a simplified title bar. Windows also creates a taskbar icon so you can keep YouTube one click away just like any other app you use frequently. If you don't see the install icon next to the address bar, no problem, here is an alternate route. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome to open the menu. From there, choose Save and Share, and then click Install YouTube. You will get the same install prompt as before. Confirm it, and the app style window will open exactly the same way. You will also notice it remembers your sign-in and your settings exactly as they are in the browser, because this is the same YouTube experience wrapped in an app window. If menu labels look a little different after a Chrome update, just look for Install or the small computer icon. The flow stays the same. That's all there is to it. Behind the scenes, you are still using the web version of YouTube, but in a streamlined, app-like package. You don't need to manage a separate installer, and updates happen automatically as YouTube and Chrome update. So you are always on the latest experience. If you like to keep your desktop tidy, you can close the regular Chrome tab after installing and continue using the new YouTube window instead. And because it has its own taskbar icon, switching back to it while you are multitasking is fast and familiar. With this quick setup, you've turned YouTube into a distraction-free app on Windows 11 using tools you already have. Enjoy browsing, watching, and listening without juggling browser tabs. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.